Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good and safe at home. First of all, I'm really sorry for being so inactive these days because I'm not well. Actually, I've got COVID and I am still in isolation mode, but I am recovering now, and just few days more I'll be fine. And for that I need your prayers, wishes, love, and of course support. So yeah, coming to this video, I'm sharing this beautiful classic black smoky eye makeup tutorial with you all guys, and you can definitely pair with any outfit and in any occasion. You can actually follow this up for this Eid also. So actually I made this video last month, so that's why I have this content with me. Otherwise my current situation is so bad. So if you like this video or this look, then please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also follow me on Instagram for life updates and reels and more entertainment. My Instagram handle will be in the description box. Don't forget to check that out, and all the products that I'm using will be in the description box, like links. All of those links will be in the description box. So let's get started. All the products I'm gonna be using on my base will be on the moisturizing or cream base side, because I really don't know guys why my skin is being so dry these days, so I thought of using all the products which are on the moisturizing side. So first of all, let's start with the primer. This is the NYB primer. I'll be using this one, and on top of it I'll be using a Skin Genius foundation by Nykaa. It's a super hydrating and it's super moisturizing, and at the same time it gives a very natural finish to your skin. So this particular shade is 02 Almond Beige. Okay, so let's quickly apply this. So guys, as you can see, this foundation looks super moisturizing, dewy, fresh, and my skin looks very natural. So moving on to the concealing and contouring, for that I'm using these concealer sticks by NYB. The shade name will be mentioned in the description box. All the product links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So let's quickly apply this. It blends really effortlessly and it looks really good and natural. So I'll be setting the concealer by Faces Canada Compact Powder. And the places where I contoured, I'll be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring kit, and I'll be using this shade to like just set all of those areas where we have applied the contouring stick, because it's so creamy and not applying too much but just setting it up. So guys, after blending the base makeup, it looks really nice, and the contouring gives lots of dimension to your face. My base makeup is almost done, so let's move on to the eyes. So today we are going to be doing a smoky eyes, just super easy guys. So let's start. So what I'm going to be doing is using a kajal. This is the L18 eye drama kajal. You can use any kajal that you want, or you can use simply gel liners also. So I'm just gonna be applying it generously and very roughly. You don't need any perfection on this, so you're just gonna be applying all over your lid, not above your lid. So just apply on the lid area and just blend with your finger. Be quick, otherwise kajal sets really fast, or else you can use any kajal which is not smudge proof. You need to stop just here. Now what you're gonna need is a black eyeshadow. I'm using this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette, I think. Yeah, the shade name is Velvet Rose. So here I am picking the black shadow on my flat top brush like this, and just pat on the kajal we have applied. Just pat it over. Forget about the fallout. We can just fix it later, or else you can start with your eye makeup first and then move on to the base makeup, so that your base will not ruin up. Just setting it up, and as you can see, the intensity of the black shadow is like enhanced due to that kajal. So now taking a transition shade like this one right here on a blending brush, and just blend the edges. Just blend the edges so that edges will not look really harsh. Smaller circular motions, don't go really up from the crease, but at the same place just go with really small circular motions and blend it out. Now you can see it's all blended. Okay guys, I have applied a lot of powder on my under eyes because the shadows are falling out, so my base makeup is like getting ruined. Taking the same brush and some more transition shade, just smudge it over on the lower lash line. For the smoky eyes, the blending is the technique. Focus on the blending, because if your blending is nice, it will look really beautiful, otherwise it will not. So I'm taking the same brush from that we have applied the black shadow. Whatever the color left on that brush, just applying on my lower lash line, very close to my lower lash line. And again taking the same brush and just blend all the edges. Okay guys, once it's blended, looks beautiful. Let's quickly move on to the blush. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. Just applying on this side. I'm not going towards the apples of my cheek, just applying on this side and just going on the temple. I'm applying it with the dabbing motions first and just going on to the temple. It will definitely gives you that uplift effect. Just applying little more. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Odvo highlighter. This is a beautiful highlighter. It has 3 shades. I'm just like mixing all of those. Let's quickly apply on highest points of my face, between my brows, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and tops of my cheekbones. It looks super pretty. For mascara guys, I'm going to be using this Lakme Iconic mascara. It's a beautiful mascara. It looks like this. I'll just apply off camera and we'll be right back. I'm just setting my eyebrows with the same mascara one. Okay, I'm applying the same kajal, Latin kajal on my waterline. So lastly, for lipstick guys, I'm going to be using this Nykaa So Creme lipstick. It is in the shade Let It Snows. It is my favorite nude shade. And for smoky eyes, the colors like this will really flatter out. It's a beautiful nude brown shade and really complement your eyes beautifully. So I'll just quickly change my outfit and I'll be back. I forgot to highlight inner corners. I'm taking the same highlighter and highlighting my inner corners like so, and also applying it on my brow bone. And this is my final finished look. I hope you like this too. I just love this look. In fact, smoky eye is my favorite. It's so easy to do and also very wearable. Everyone can do this, you know, hooded eyes, deep set eyes, any kind of eye shape you have, this will look amazing on each and every eye shape. So I hope this video will help you out, and if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon also, so that you don't miss any update for such upcoming videos. And please share your valuable comments in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Till then, do take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.